This is the Mighty Thor 1212, and you're watching davidvsworld on YouTube.
Yay! I'm recording my whole life for a full year, 365 days. You're now watching davidvsworld.
So Dave is not feeling very well.
No.
You've been sleeping today, and yeah. So I think we're gonna watch a movie. See if we can't get David feeling better.
Watch the new video song.
He wants you to watch the new video song, even though you'll probably see this a few days later. You need to watch it now.
Right now. I don't want any excuses.
It'll make him magically feel better.
This is your father speaking. That's right, Kitty. Kitty knows.
When Daddy speaks, you listen.
That's right. Could I? Mama? Mama? You can see how she obeys.
What'd you tell her?
So sit right there. Don't move.
So we're just lounging. I've been doing laundry, and I'm doing dishes now and cooking breakfast lunch-ish thing. And then we're gonna go to his family's house for dinner. Free food tonight, and yeah. You feeling any better?
What are you talking to?
Are you feeling any better?
Yeah. No.
No.
A little bit. Took a shower.
That helped. Sometimes it helps if you feel like you wash the germs away. Just go bye-bye.
Took a decongestant, so now I'm very dry.
Your sense of humor has always been dry. Ha 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 ha. Apparently it wasn't that funny.
I take my humor very seriously. You should too.
I don't want to.
It's serious business.
How is humor serious?
Exactly.
I don't understand.
That's why it's funny.
Like your face. Feel better?
Yes, actually.
Good. So we are on our way to Grandma and Grandpa's.
Over the river and through the woods, grandmother's house we go. It's about as good as I can sing right now.
Okay, like I said, we're on our way to Grandma and Grandpa's dinner with David's dad and Joy, and then the whole family that you met yesterday is in town. So we're gonna go eat with them and have fun, and it's a plan for tonight.
I haven't had
Grandma.
the sun is not on my side today.
Oh, you've been working hard? Yeah.
How you feeling, David?
Where we at? What you making?
Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea what
What are you making?
23 hours a day, 6 by 8
That's a big sock. For anything in particular? Oh, what's this for? Oh, they're just earrings. You just put them there because?
Put them there so I knew where to decrease to make the instep. Usually I use a safety pin, but
So what's the sock for?
just to make a sock.
Oh, just because? Do you make a lot of stuff just because? Do you have like a whole bunch of like purses and hats and stuff?
Lots of hats.
Lots of hats, not purses? You don't do those strap purses? Why not? Those would be cool. I'd wear one. I'd use that. That'd be cool. I'd do that.
Hot rolls? Get out of there.
It works for everyone.
How you go for the pineapple?
Ooh, pineapple.
One bowl over.
It's working. I take the worst pictures.
I think I've seen it before. Back in the
Superior sheds. That's what what it says. There. That's what it says. Is that the same bottle from last time?
Same bottle, yeah. That'd be good and strong.
I say that was a lot more than last time, but I think last time I made it too weak.
Is that why it didn't work?
Could be. It could be all my fault.
What killed those thistles, though?
But it didn't kill the other stuff.
What's he doing?
They're gonna go spray the weeds by the trailer.
Okay, a good idea.
Okay, so this is our trailer that we have parked out in the middle of nowhere. We're not going to tell you where it is. And we have it parked out here because we're not allowed to have it parked at our house because Cape Coral does not allow trailers. You can have a boat trailer, but not a working trailer in your yard. So otherwise it would cost us like, I think the cheapest place we found was like $70 a month or $60 a month to park a trailer. And since David's band hasn't been like traveling, his old band did a lot of traveling, which is why we got the trailer. So he's just spraying down weeds so that weeds don't grow up all on it, because these are the viney kind. So this is our trailer. This is the story of why it's here. It's a little bit of trek if we do need it, but you know what? David's not using it very often, and all of his by himself gigs are the ones he's been doing with Blaine with just the djembe. He's been able to do just by putting it in the truck, so. I'd get good by that tire underneath it. Do you see it like wanting to go by the axle? So, yep, that's what we're doing.
Peaches!
I don't think we've ever gotten like you eating.
Yeah, we have.
Really?
I don't think you really want to. I don't think you really have enough time in the video to get it all.
Yeah, you never had enough time on the tape.
You can run out of time on the car.
I eat very slow. I'm just like,
Yeah, we've seen you eat ice cream. That one vlog. There's a vlog of him eating ice cream while he's editing. He's like, it's like the slowest motion ever. I was gonna pull up the video song and show your dad.
The new one?
You wanna see it?
Sure.
Alright. You gotta hold it all.
I thought maybe Sunday after we get out of church, maybe David would like to go to our house
Apparently she didn't like the blank spot in my pants.
because people from church.
Look up here. Thanks. Is that for David or for the whole world?
No, David. It says David, and then it points up there.
Their house.
Oh, you even went the right angle. Thanks. Okay.